दर्शकवृन्द, डेभलपमेन्ट विषयमा पछिल्लो 1.5 दशकदेखि अध्यापन गराउँदै आइरहेको नेशनल कलेजले विद्यार्थीहरूको प्रयोगात्मक पाटोलाई बलियो पार्ने उद्देश्यले एक कार्यशाला गोष्ठीको आयोजना गरेको छ, जसमा विभिन्न क्षेत्रका विशिष्ट व्यक्तित्वहरूको उपस्थितिमा विद्यार्थीहरूले कार्यपत्र प्रस्तुत गरेका थिए। यसै सम्बन्धी एक रिपोर्ट।
आर्थिक विकासको दिगोपनाका लागि नवीनतम विचारमा बहस केन्द्रित गर्ने उद्देश्यले नेशनल कलेजको आयोजनामा हालै राजधानीमा एक कार्यशाला गोष्ठी सम्पन्न भएको छ। इनोभेटिभ डेभलपमेन्ट फाइनान्स फर सस्टेनेबिलिटी नाम दिएको कार्यशालामा आर्थिक विकासका क्षेत्रमा क्रियाशील विभिन्न व्यक्तित्वहरूको सहभागिता रहेको थियो। कार्यक्रममा उपस्थितहरूलाई औपचारिक स्वागत गर्दै कलेजका प्रिन्सिपल माधव प्रसाद न्यौपानेले कलेजले प्रदान गरिरहेको शैक्षिक वातावरणका विषयमा जानकारी गराउनुभयो।
3 different academic programs in association with Kathmandu University. The 3 programs National College offerings are Bachelor of Development Studies (BDEVS) started from 1999. This program is focused on sustainable development practices. During studies, through innovative ideas and research activities, students have been able to produce and bring wide range of opportunities for further research, entrepreneurship, and economic development. We engage our students, faculty, and professionals in such activities through regular research work, project work, workshop, training, and such seminars. In today's world, with limited resources, the development challenges are very steep. Traditional resources, traditional thinking, and old technology will not be able to meet the challenges. We should explore new resources, come up with new and innovative ideas and modern technology and newer approach to boost the economic development. In the context, we expect this seminar that we are organizing today will be able to give some new thought, some new innovative ideas and approaches which will be able to meet the development challenges and ultimately will be helpful in betterment of the future generations. I once again like to welcome you all in this gathering and let's make this seminar successful. Thank you very much.
कार्यक्रम आयोजक नेशनल कलेजका प्रोग्राम कोअर्डिनेटर उकेश राज भुजुले यस प्रकारको कार्यशाला गोष्ठी आयोजनाको उद्देश्यका विषयमा उपस्थितहरूलाई जानकारी गराउनुभयो।
We in the college are much more involved or engaged in teaching, research, field activities as those academic activities. And we wanted to share all these ideas, experiences with our partners who are actually practitioners in financial sector or in development sectors. Also, along with that, we will also like to get their ideas, their experiences, so that we can include in our curriculum, extracurriculum, and other things, so that we can make our college and curriculum or syllabus more vibrant and more useful and realistic for the next days and next years to come. And in terms of innovativeness, right from the beginning, our principal sir has also mentioned that our programs are vibrant and dynamic. To tell you one more information, that since the beginning of our college, we have been doing revision updates of all our curriculum, so that the curriculum, textbooks, references, everything is relevant to the present context, global, national, and local.
कार्यशालाको उद्घाटन समारोहको सभापतित्व नेपाल राष्ट्र बैंक अन्तर्गतको माइक्रो फाइनान्स प्रमोसन एन्ड सुपरभिजन डिपार्टमेन्टका कार्यकारी निर्देशक डाक्टर विनोद आत्रेयले गर्नुभएको थियो भने प्रमुख वक्ताको रूपमा नेपाल राष्ट्र बैंकका पूर्व गभर्नर समेत रहनुभएका अर्थविद हिमालय शमशेर जबरा सहभागी हुनुभएको थियो। कार्यक्रमलाई सम्बोधन गर्दै प्रमुख वक्ता जबराले विकासको दिगोपनाको अपरिहार्यताका विषयमा प्रश्न पार्नुभयो।
While development is a must, review of history of development in developing countries as well as developed countries has highlighted need to be sustainable, that the development must be sustainable. So the theme for this seminar, development for sustainability, is a very appropriate theme. And then the question is, what kind of innovative financing instruments can be used for development? I think that's the main purpose of holding this seminar.
कार्यशालामा कलेजमा अध्ययनरत विद्यार्थीहरूले विभिन्न विषयमा केन्द्रित रहेर आफ्नो कार्यपत्र प्रस्तुत गरेका थिए। राजधानीको बालुवाटार स्थित नेशनल कलेजले काठमाडौँ युनिभर्सिटीको सम्बन्धनमा ब्याचलर इन डेभलपमेन्ट फाइनान्स, ब्याचलर अफ सोसियल साइन्स र ब्याचलर इन डेभलपमेन्ट स्टडिजको अध्यापन गराउँदै आइरहेको छ।